Hello, children. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the kitchen and recipes. The kitchen is a special place where food is prepared and cooked. People use the kitchen every day to make delicious meals. A kitchen is a room where food is prepared and cooked. It is one of the most important rooms in a home. People use the kitchen to wash, cut, cook, and serve food. The kitchen helps us prepare healthy meals. Many useful things can be found in a kitchen. Some kitchen items are pot, pan, spoon, plate, cup, knife, fork, refrigerator, stove. These items help us prepare food. A chef is a person who cooks food. Chefs know how to prepare many different meals. They use recipes to help them cook. Chefs also keep their kitchens clean and organized. A recipe is a set of instructions for making food. A recipe tells us what ingredients we need, how much of each ingredient to use, the steps to follow. Recipes help us cook food correctly. Ingredients are the foods we use to make a meal. Some common ingredients are rice, beans, eggs, tomatoes, onions, flour, milk, fruits. Different recipes need different ingredients. Before cooking, food should be prepared carefully. We can wash vegetables, wash fruits, measure ingredients, arrange cooking tools. Cooking changes raw food into tasty meals. People can cook by boiling, frying, baking, roasting. Steaming cooking makes many foods safe to eat. Let's make a simple fruit salad. First, wash the fruits. Next, cut the fruits into small pieces. Then, place them in a bowl. Mix them gently. Now the fruit salad is ready to eat. Safety is very important in the kitchen. Always remember, wash your hands before touching food. Be careful around hot pots. Never play with sharp knives. Ask an adult for help when needed. Safety helps prevent accidents. A clean kitchen is a healthy kitchen. We should wash dishes after eating, wipe tables, throw rubbish into bins, keep food covered. Many healthy foods are prepared in the kitchen. Healthy foods help us grow well, stay strong, have energy, stay healthy. People eat different meals during the day. Breakfast is eaten in the morning. Lunch is eaten in the afternoon. Dinner is eaten in the evening. The kitchen helps us prepare all these meals. Many people help in the kitchen. Parents, guardians, chefs, and older children can help prepare meals. Working together makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Many foods begin on farms. Farmers grow crops and raise animals. The food is transported to markets and stores. Then it reaches our kitchens. We should appreciate the hard work of farmers. Recipes help us cook correctly. They tell us what to do step by step. Recipes help food taste better. They also help us avoid mistakes while cooking.
Using a recipe and a book.
Today we learned about recipes in the kitchen. We learned about ingredients, cooking, kitchen tools, and safety. We learned how recipes help us prepare delicious meals. Remember to keep the kitchen clean and safe. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in our next lesson.